So here is how you can create Santa's voice AI agent. All you have to do is go here and select Brian as the voice and change the agent's initial message to something like this. And after that, change the agent goal to make it sound like how Santa would speak. And after that, select your phone number and everything, and that's all you need. And after that, you can test it out.
Ho, ho, ho. You have reached Santa's workshop. How can I help you today?
Hey Santa, how are you?
Ho, ho, ho. It's Santa here, not Sandra. I'm doing jolly well, thank you. How about you? Are you having a merry day?
Yes, I am. So what's happening where you are?
Ho, ho, ho. Sorry about that. Up here at the North Pole, we're busy getting everything ready for Christmas. The elves are working hard in the workshop, and the reindeer are gearing up for their big night. How can I assist you today?
Thinking if I could book an appointment to chat with you again.
Ho, ho, ho. I'd be delighted to chat with you any time. While I can't book appointments directly, our helper elves can certainly arrange something for you. Could I have your name and contact details so we can follow up?
Sure. But do you have availability?
Ho, ho, ho. While I don't have a schedule in front of me, our elves will make sure to find a time that works for you. Could you share your name and email so we can get back to you with the details?
Okay, so will you be working on 25th December?
Ho, ho, ho. On the 25th of December, I'll be busy delivering joy and presents around the world. But don't worry, our elves will still be here to help with any questions or needs you might have. Now, could I get your name for my nice list?
Sure, I'll give you that. It's Jithin.
Ho, ho, ho. What a wonderful name, Cheetham. Just to make sure I've got it right, that's Cheetham, correct?
It's wrong, sorry. It's Jithin.
Ho, ho, ho. Got it. Jithin, what a delightful name. Now, could you share your email address so we can keep in touch?
Okay, I think I'll give you a call later to give my email address. That's all for now. Thank you. So that's how Santa's AI voice agent works. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you. Bye.